Well, I don't know whether you can hear me properly or not, but I can assure you one thing, and that is this beautiful weather and this amazing video of which I have come up. Alright, so in this video, we will be talking about nourishment. It means upbringing. If you don't know the Hindi of these two words, then be with this video till the end. I'm sure you must love this video, alright, because in this video you will get really good vocabularies which you may not have heard yet, alright. Or let me tell you one more thing, and that is if you don't write these vocabularies or you don't take a screenshot, so believe me, you are not gonna learn anything. And I can assure you one more thing, and that is you won't remember these vocabularies after closing this video. So please take the screenshot so that you can have a look on these vocabularies anytime, anywhere. Alright, so now let's start this video without much ado. The first word is shortly after. It means just after a moment. She died shortly after giving birth. Bring up. Bring up means to give manners to children. I have brought up my children alone. Third is upbringing. He has had a nice upbringing. Upbringing means bring up the children. Foster. This is one of my favorite words. Foster means to bring up somebody else's children. I have fostered my brother's children. Raise or breed. Raise or breed means to bring up animals or human being. I was raised into a poor family. Reincarnate, reborn, or rebirth. It means to take birth again on this earth. I don't want to be reborn. Stillborn, the baby who is dead. The baby was stillborn. Infertile, a lady who is not able to give birth to a child. She is infertile. And sterile means a man who is not able to have baby. He is sterile. Breastfeed, to feed a baby of mother's milk. She is unable to breastfeed. Babysitter. Babysitter, there is a person who takes care of a baby, who cleans the potty and who takes care of everything of a baby. He's called babysitter. Kuldeep needs a babysitter. Homeschool, to give good manners to children, to teach good things to children is called homeschool. It is a verb. A mother homeschools the child first. It means a mother is the first teacher of a child. Bathe or bath, to make children bath. I have bathed or I have bathed the baby. Dress the child. It means to make them wear their dresses. Please dress the child. The bus has come. Bad wetting. It means to pee on the bed. Bad wetting is a common problem among infants. Infants means 0 to 2 years children. I taught this word in the last video. Teething. When the tooth comes, that is called teething. My baby is teething. Wow. Midwife. It doesn't mean beach volleyball. It means dai. I need a midwife who can take care of my wife as well as my children. Baby walker. There's a vehicle that has 3 wheels. That is called baby walker. So I have bought a baby walker for my child. Cradle. It means swing of a baby. My baby loves his cradle. So friends, these were the words. I hope you really loved this video. So please put the comment in the comment section and tell how was the class. Bye bye. Take care.